My name is Marjolein Vanoppen. I work for the Particle and Interfacial Technology Group at the Department of Green Chemistry and Technology of the Faculty of Bioscience Engineering.
My name is Emmy Dhooghe. I work in the Department of Plants and Crops, and I lead the Horticultural Research Group.
I'm Kankana Kundu. I work as a professor at CMET, Center for Microbial Ecology and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, Faculty of Bioscience Engineering.
I have not always wanted to become a professor. I've always wanted to change the world as a child, so make a positive impact. And throughout the years, this seemed like the best option to do that.
Likewise, I was not thinking of becoming a professor. I applied for this position because it was on high-tech horticulture. It was aligned with my research interests.
Well, I really love to teach young students and to motivate them to do excellence in science.
I'm really have a passion for the horticultural sector. So my research I currently supervise is quite similar than the research I always did.
A trip to water treatment facility during my master's in biochemical engineering field actually motivated me to build my career in the field of environmental biotechnology.
For the positive, I've always been very intrigued by anything to do with the environment and climate change. That came a bit later, but still. And that translated into my studies as a bioscience engineer in environmental technology.
Well, I care for nature.
The positive impact and showing little kids all around the world that we can do it.
Is really the passion for the horticultural sector, and I hope I can transfer that passion by education towards the next generation of students.
Monitoring strategies for some of the very difficult emerging chemical contaminants for cleaning the aquatic environment. That would be the major achievement.
Yeah, I hope that I gave the PhD students and the technicians the opportunity to grow. That I could that they could advance in their professional career.
I think this is a very difficult question because there's so many things. But I think in an ideal world, I will have a retirement party at some point, and the room will be filled with former PhD students, former people I've worked with, that I've guided in some way, that I've helped grow as a person, as a researcher, that are now making their own positive impact on the world. I think that would be the legacy or the impact that I want to have.
Education.
PhD research, because that's the combination of the two.
I would go for 50-50 because they are just linked.
Crop environment.
Environment.
Coupure.
Coupure for the atmosphere, capture for the lab.
Coupure of course, for education, and capture for doing research.
A grower.
Person working in environmental protection agencies and all.
A criminal psychologist.